I'm actually asking you about the technical expertise. Like, for DD, they roped in stunt directors from abroad. I'm sure you've worked with stunt directors in Mission Impossible. So what about the technology that they have there? I mean, does it really help you as an actor when you have that kind of technology?
A lot of technology has been used from our technology has been used from I think so many of the animation films and a lot of work
done over here.
Most of the stuff has been done there over here.
लोगों ने बड़े पर्दे पर आप दोनों को देखा है, काफी सराहा है सर आपके किरदारों को। एक एक्टर कब कहलाता है कंप्लीट एक्टर?
कंप्लीट होने में तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा अभी हमें, बिकॉज एक्टिंग का कोई सिलेबस नहीं है। जैसा अनिल साहब ने कहा कि वन लाइफ टाइम इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, बट यस हार्ड वर्क इज सीन in every actor. That's what separates you from other people. I think that comes with training also. A lot of people believe कि training की क्या ज़रूरत होती है actor में. It's very important because not apart from acting, you also teach them discipline. You also teach them professionalism.
And more than anything else for training, I think because you get an opportunity to be with so many people, so many actors. The interaction. Otherwise, sometimes actors, I always tell my children also, you can't learn in isolation. You have to interact. And feed off the other actors or other people, and you learn so much, something you might learn from your friend, or your neighbor, or anybody. So that also is very important. This, being in a group and then performing in a group and performing all these things also.
A poll conducted in UK named Mughal Azam the best Indian film ever, celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. So what, according to you, makes it the best film?
Because you can watch it again and again, and it still looks fresh. It's like the Taj Mahal, and it's been there. This monument has been there so many years, and still, whenever you see it, you find something new, something fresh, and that's what Mughal Azam is. Because it just turned out to be so perfect and so real, and the acting and everything was so genuine and honest and sincere. And sincerity and honesty and anything which is done with so much of genuinity, it's everlasting. It becomes timeless. I think that's the reason Mughal Azam is timeless.